We are looking at the product search function of a scribe, which can be found at the top of your icons list on the left-hand side of your screen. To start, click on Product Search. Here we can change the date if required, for example if you need to look back to a certain point in time. You can also change site if required. To search for a product, type in the first few letters of the product name and then click View Report. On the left, there's a colour key to show which products are formulary as reflected in the NSV code column. On the right, the current stock levels for the different trust sites can be seen. Once you have found your product, click on it. On this screen, we have a grey information box which shows us the trade name, which can be useful when looking for splits on the shelf, the supplier name, the quantity already on order, this will avoid duplicate orders, the current stock level, the annual usage and the automatic reorder level. We can also see the location. As we can see, this one is kept in the robot. The lead time is also seen here, but please note this is only a rough timescale. Below the grey box is a log view of all the recent transactions for this product at the selected site for the selected time frame. If we click through a few pages, we can see the ward stock locations. This will allow us to see who keeps the product as ward stock and how much. We will now look at another product, and this one we'll look at Piptaz. As we can see, this product has a different stock location. This one is S72, so this reflects it is kept in stores on a shelf. The yellow lines in the log view highlight stores actions. For example here, Paula has ordered 100 vials on the 24th of May 2019 and James received this on the 25th of May 2019. This gives a more accurate idea of the lead time for the product. Thank you for watching.